This is Jill taking care of the nest so that she can eat. She has been sitting on it for a long time. And I know Jill has been laying eggs, but she's been laying them around here and there, and she hasn't really had a spot to lay them. So I think maybe possible that her and that hen both have eggs in that pile. They may be sharing the nest. But Jill will get off, and this hen will return and take care of it, leaving Jill to pretty much help guard, I guess. As you can tell, she's hungry. She hasn't been off the nest for days. So she's come out to eat. I gave her a little special treat. Came and threw some breadcrumbs out there. And then this is when I realized a minute ago Jill was laying on the eggs. Now she's arranging the nest. But she was actually laying on them. And this hen has been laying on them for weeks. They're taking turns. And of course I have some mourning doves. But you can see Jill is collecting. That's actually some old tossed up fleece. She's decided to come off. They don't seem to get along all that good. But they do appear to share the nest. She needs some water. She, like I said, hasn't been off the nest for a long time. She's getting her energy so she can return to the nest. Jill was just making sure she wanted a little hand in it. She's a good turkey. Aren't you, Jill? You're the best turkey. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. And the hen's like, are you done? Do I have to go back on that nest? She's going to gain her energy so she can spend time on the nest without moving. She's highly aggressive on the nest. And now she's returning to the nest. She doesn't want Jill to return. And there she goes. She's now returned to the nest. And she will stay there for some time. Last time I came out here, I saw Jill had moved the hen off. And it didn't look like she was going to destroy the eggs. But I moved her out of there anyway. Didn't realize what the heck she was doing. But now, I know.